Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. This is about the new LOL miner that got released to mine gram slash ton. It's some weird spec coin that's making a lot of money right now. I'm sure there's already some videos out on it, so hopefully you guys are aware of it. If not, LOL miner has made a release where you can mine gram now, and it's pretty simple to get going. The main things are there's only a few pools available, which is this first decimal here. I am on this first one here, lol.ton.ninja. I'll go over that later. And there's gram.hashrate.to and ninja ton lens, which I haven't used either of those two. But if you use ton.ninja or gram.hashrate, you have to use ton mode 6, and the other pool you use ton mode 4. You need drivers 525 or higher, else it won't work. That's highlighted here as well. And all this other stuff for HiveOS is down here, and then also with Rave and Windows down here. I'll also go over that. That's also super simple. They already have a bat file made for you. You just plug in your stuff and you're ready to go. But I'm hopping over to Flightsheet for HiveOS. This is my flight sheet, and this is how you have it set up. You can just add a gram coin or call it whatever you want, your wallet, pool, configure miner custom, and I'll leave this installation URL down below in the description. So you copy this in, it'll fill the miner name, then the hash algo, wallet.worker, just super simple template, and then pool URL I'll also leave down below. And then this is my config that I use. You can run 1470 core or 1500 as well. I'm not sure how much of a difference core offset does, but this is the flight sheet. And this rig is all 3060s and 3060 Ti's, so you can see my numbers here. And I also have that same flight sheet. I just duplicated it and I'm running it on this other rig of mix of 3070s, 70 Ti's, 3080s, and a 3090. And in total, it's about 46.3 ton or SHA-256. That's up here. And looking at the pool, this is the ton.ninja pool. We just call it the ninja pool. So far, it's very limited. There's barely any info, so it's like no one knows anything about network hash rate or difficulty or anything like that. They do have Telegram groups, but they're not very helpful either in terms of information. It just shows your shares here as well as your 15-minute average profits or estimated profits, and it's been hovering around the 30 to 35 mark. And these are all the blocks found recently. And before LOL miner released a miner for this or a config, you had to follow the pool instructions to download, and it was just really janky. There's no hash rate information like on LOL miner. It was just a bunch of crap. And these are people's average shares in 15 minutes, which is insane that there's a 17,000, but you know, I'm here with 105. And while looking at this is LOL miner. This is the bat file. It comes in here already for you. And looking at the bat file, you just plug, the pool is already filled in for you. You just plug in your wallet. Password is X. I left this API port, and then this is for 4090. So I added in my core clock, core offset, memory clock, and my fan speed. And it does mine away. It's currently not running because I'm recording this, but it was getting around 9.5 gigahash at 215 watts or so. So there's that information, and so far this has been really good profits, and this has been around for probably like 3 or 4 weeks now, and profits have definitely been cut in half, if not more. And to withdraw, basically you just go to the cabinet here, you hit connect, sign your wallet, it'll connect to this. You can type in whole numbers of gram that you want to withdraw, and it'll make the withdrawal. You hit get gram, it'll take you to a Telegram bot, and you do all your basically exchanging or withdrawing in that Telegram bot. So what I've been doing is I've been withdrawing, and then I've been selling on the bot into USDT. I then buy LTC on the bot, and I send that off to an exchange, and which at that point then I'll buy whatever other coins I want. But past 3 days I've made $60 in terms of not necessarily profit, but overall revenue was $60. So for 25 GPUs, or 24 now I suppose, that's pretty dang good if I do say so myself. And before that it was even more in terms of profit, because not many people were on it, no one knew how to mine it, so it kind of got discovered. I know MineSum made a video on it, and I've been in his Discord a bunch, so hopefully that helps you guys out. I'll leave all the links to the GitHub and all the URL stuff with the flight sheets. I'll leave all that. Where is it? Yes, all this stuff here in the flight sheet. I'll leave all this linked below so you guys can just copy paste everything in. So hopefully that helps you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.